Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn something about knowledge management. So let's start. I am Dr. Sandeep Sharma, Assistant Professor in IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus. Now let's start. Let's see what's the knowledge management. The knowledge management is defined as the process of creating, identifying and managing the knowledge of an organization and structuring it for effective and efficient use among its employees and teams. This article explains what knowledge management is today, is growing relevance, strategy, best practices and trends. Knowledge management is emerging as the most efficient and significant technology of 2020. This global knowledge management market is projected to touch 798.9 billions with a compounded growth of 24.4% according to the research markets. The international knowledge management market is likely to expand at a CAGR of more than 22% from 2016 and 2025, says Zion Market Research. Now, let us know about the benefits of effective knowledge management. So, what are they? You can see on the screen. First one is the encourages collaboration. So, there is a collaboration between the teammates, between the working professionals in an organization or a company. So, the teammates which are working together, there should be have a cordial expansion and a good working environment among them. Second one is the allows the faster decision making. So if the knowledge is equally shared among all the people through the sources, just like emails, just like telegram apps, using WhatsApp nowadays, so the information is not awaited for a single person. It is dispersed among all the people. Third one is avoids duplication of efforts. If a people is working on some data, or a team or a members of people or group, they are working on a data, so same data should not be worked on more than one time. So each one of the member of the team should be well known about the how the duplication should be avoided. Prepares for crisis. Suppose if there are any crisis like COVID, like bankruptcy and like any other crisis, so how you should be well prepared before the crisis. You know in advance what should be the main leads you should allow for the same. And the last one is enables the digital transformation. If you have a data in soft copy format, in PDF format, or in a soft copy, so you can allow it to transfer from one people to another. You can retain or restore it on the Google Drives, or take backups for on servers on your company and unstore on Google Schedules. Now, first one, it encourages collaboration. So what is that? It enables the collaboration and more effective exchange of ideas, leading to improved decision making. Better and faster decision making helps in enhancing customer experience and improving business prospects for the company. A more collaborative environment further helps in promoting innovation in the organization. As per study conducted by College of the Business, Gachon University and College of a Global Business, Korea University in January 2020, knowledge sharing was significantly and positively related to the team trust and the perception of the collaborative technology, which moderates the relationships among them. Second point, it allows the faster decision making. When relevant information is provided as when it is required, it enables the faster and more informed decision making. A 2017 study by ResearchGate concluded that the knowledge management practices significantly impact an organization's ability to make speedy and effective decisions. Third one is avoid duplication of the efforts. It helps firms to enhance operational efficiency and save time and effort. A crucial benefit of knowledge management is the elimination of replication of efforts. For instance, let's consider that your customer support executive is finding it hard to help a customer who has raised a query for a rarely used feature. In normal circumstances, the customer support executive will spend a considerable amount of time finding the information and might even annoy or frustrate the customers. However, with knowledge management, the customer support executive can quickly locate any past instance of a similar query and use it to address the present inquiry. Fourth one is leverage existing and expertise. A well-defined knowledge management process enables the organization to effectively take advantage of its team members' existing skills and expertise. Let's say a few colleagues are experts in a new and developing complementary area. A formalized knowledge management program will help other members to leverage these members' skills and expertise to build competency in a new area. Fifth one is the preparation for crisis. Organizations with a structured and formalized knowledge management program are better prepared to face the challenges as they benefit from the learnings of the dealings with a crisis. Last one is how to enable the digital transformation of the data. As organizations quicken the pace of the digitization, they have a plethora of structured and unstructured data. A well-defined knowledge management program allows them to use this information for their growth and benefit. Now, let us know about the process of knowledge management. Knowledge and expertise of employees and their learnings from organizational operations is a crucial asset for the company. For instance, they may be a regional sales team that has tested and implemented a key sales strategy in their local sales region, perhaps even in a local language. The knowledge management process should report this event and its related documents to the regional company leadership, who can escalate it for company-wide testing and use. The essential documents providing the case study needs to be centrally stored and accessible online to require employees and leaders. Knowledge management is not just about deploying software or a digital tool to capture the information or data in the company's system. It involves a fundamental change in the workforce mindset to foster a culture of sharing and collaboration across the organizations. The process of knowledge management can be captured in 5 steps. It starts with discovering valuable knowledge, identifying it, structuring it, analyzing it, sharing it, and finally making it available to the employees. So, I hope this video makes you learn something about the process and the knowledge management system. Thank you very much.